Hi everyone, Elizabeth here from the Caledon Parent Child Centre and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an outdoor activity. It's called Bubble Shapes. This activity you're going to be making your own bubble wands using sticks. So let's get into the activity. The first step would be to go on an adventure, maybe at a park or a trail or even your backyard, to find some sticks for this activity. The sticks I chose were not too soft and they were long enough to create the shapes that I wanted. The amount of sticks depends on how much shapes you want to create. The next step would be to go back home and lay out all your materials. I have some bubble solution, the sticks, scissors, twine, and a bin. Now we are going to create our shapes. I took 2 sticks and I decided to make a triangle using these 2 sticks. So I'm going to cut a piece of twine using my scissors and connect these sticks together. Your children can hold the sticks together for you or hold the twine for you to cut and tie the twine on the sticks. So here I am trying to keep my sticks together to create the shape that I want. So during the making of these shapes, you can ask your children a few questions like, what shape am I making? Or how much sides does this shape have? Just to keep them engaged in the activity. Here I am just tying a few knots to keep the sticks secure, to make sure that the shape doesn't change. Now I will be cutting off the excess twine off of the shape, and I will be breaking a piece of the stick to make it easier to hold. And here's the end result of the shape. The next step would be to create your bubble formula. So I brought the bin inside with the bubble solution, and I'm just going to pour the bottle inside the bin and add some water. If you don't have bubble solution, you could always use regular soap and water. There is no measurement for the amount of water you need. I would just estimate and look at the water and solution balance. Your children can help you at this step by opening up the tap and helping you pour the water, and also looking and seeing how much water is needed as well. Now we can bring our bin outside and have fun using our new bubble wands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this activity as much as I did, but before we go, I just want to share some skills that your children may have learned during this activity. So your children probably gained a sense of autonomy as they're building their own shapes, and they also are developing their fine and gross motor skills as they're holding the sticks to create these shapes. Your children are also learning some mathematical concepts such as measurement and geometry by classifying these shapes and being able to identify them. So I hope you guys join us back next week. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye!